Hi, friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a soft, simple, beautiful story about kind words. There was a boy named Rohan. Rohan was quiet. He did not talk much. One day, a new student came to class. Her name was Mira. She looked nervous. She sat alone. Some students laughed at her accent. Some students ignored her. Mira looked sad. Her eyes were low. Rohan watched quietly. His heart felt heavy. After class, he walked to her slowly. He said softly, "Hi, I am Rohan. You spoke very well today." Mira looked surprised. She smiled a little. Rohan said, "Don't worry. You will feel comfortable soon." Mira's smile grew bigger. The next day, she sat with Rohan. They talked. They became friends. Slowly, Mira became confident. She spoke more. She smiled more. One day, she said to Rohan, "Thank you. Your kind words helped me. I felt alone before, but you made me feel welcome." Rohan felt warm inside. He learned something important. Kind words are small, but they can change someone's day. A kind word can give hope. A kind word can give strength. A kind word can make someone smile. From that day, Rohan spoke kindly to others, and his world felt brighter. Final message, my friends. This story is for you too. Speak kindly, encourage others, use gentle words, because small kind words can make a big difference. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep spreading kindness. And always remember,